home and give me wings to fly. We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
Hello and welcome to our lodge. Coming in. So this is really cute. Kitchen.
Fridge freezer.
Yep.
Full
Full
size
fridge
fridge freezer.
Microwave.
Cool. Oven.
Proper oven. And then that's empty.
Wine cooler. And we've left all the alcohol at home.
We'll have to go and buy some, no problem there. There's just your bowl and a little. Oh.
How to use stuff.
There's a welcome guide in this book. Yes.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah, leave that out.
Leave that out, and then what have we got up here? Ooh,
Cups and shot glasses.
shot glasses.
Okay.
Cool. Are there any wine glasses? Oh, wine cooler.
Yes.
Oh yes. I like those.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then
Dishwasher.
Yeah, but it confused me a bit because it's got like, I think they're for the fridge.
Yeah, I think they are. They've just washed them out, haven't they? We'll sort that out after.
Back in.
Yeah.
And then bin, plates,
chopping board, all that sort of stuff. Yeah.
Yep. Ooh.
Full range of knives, forks, all that sort of stuff.
Yep. Pots and pans. Oh, more pots and pans.
Yeah.
And a fly. Oh, nice.
More places to go, things to do.
Yep. And
Measuring
jugs.
jugs. Got the washing machine there. Yeah.
Could have brought all the washing to do.
Massage chair there.
I think I'll be playing on that later.
Double sofa. 6-seater dining table there. You got the patio, double doors there,
Do we sorry? We go.
and double door that side.
You can't get out. Am I being silly? Let's try the other door. Yay!
Yeah.
So we can. Oh, they can start and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, right, before he gets in and makes everywhere a mess.
There's also a sofa bed
Is
there.
that the sofa bed or is that one?
That's the sofa bed there.
This is the sofa bed what Josh is on. So, oh bless him, he started bringing the stuff
Yeah.
in.
So you got your
One double bedroom
one double
here.
bedroom there. Plenty of wardrobe space and storage.
Sorry. Oh, crikey.
Yeah.
That feels comfy.
And the master suite.
The hot tubs out there.
Walk-in wardrobe changing area, chair. Shower. Toilet. All the normal stuff in the bathroom.
Yep,
Yeah.
the hot tub's right there.
We'll go outside for that in a minute.
That's okay, let's go.
Here's the main bathroom. Nice big tub.
That is a massive tub.
And the toilet's right behind the door there. Yeah.
It works. Yep. Oh,
There's the
heat.
the heater and stuff set to 18 at the minute.
that's okay. Okay, brought all this in, bless.
Outside you have a hot tub here. It's all switched on, ready to go.
See how hot it is.
It's 29 degrees. And it's round the front. Back around the front there. There we go. And that's our lodge
Oh,
here at
massage chair.
High Rivers,
What?
Twin Rivers Country Park.
Yeah, this will be nice. I'm looking
Yeah.
forward to stopping here.